Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ESNC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low portions of the day and then where it ultimately closed, yeah, it did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, that definitely was a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 10-cent mark. Why is 10 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 10 cents. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm quantifying and defining progress once more as that 10-cent mark. Now, what about levels of resistance? The main level of resistance going forward going to be that purple line up there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself downwards. So yes, right now it's valued right up around 17 cents, but that level is going to, and therefore that value is going to move and change as Thursday and Friday play out. So keep an eye on that. Overall, though, any way you look at it, got to give credit where credit's due. Very nice bounce today, and now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this bounce going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.